Welcome back to NoUTurn. We are in Himachal Pradesh and we are taking you to see the world famous Atal Tunnel today. We are in Manali and we've just gotten word of the first snowfall of the season around Rohtang and Sissu, and that's where we are headed. The roadside scenic beauty of Himalayan roads is always impressive, and we are getting closer and closer to the snow now. There's something so exciting and magical about experiencing the first snowfall of the season. It's like white velvet all around. And then, just naturally, you just cannot contain the child within. So after this beautiful, refreshing pit stop, we head out further towards Rohtang. Just until a few years ago, these roads were almost inaccessible during winters. But just look at this now. B.R.O, which is the Border Roads Organization, has done a commendable task in maintaining the roads in these hilly areas. B.R.O keeps these roads free of landslides and avalanches. But right now, we are just happy to be here and excited that we are getting closer to the Atal Tunnel. This tunnel was inaugurated in October of 2020 and is named after our former Prime Minister of India, Atal Bihari Vajpayee. This tunnel is about 9 kilometers long and is the longest tunnel above 10,000 feet in the world. Amazing, isn't it? So there it is coming up in the distance. Ladies and gentlemen, with great pride we present to you the Atal Tunnel's south entrance. The inside view is also so impressive with the highest standards of technology and safety. This two-way tunnel continues like this for about 9 kilometers and you can actually cover this distance in about 10 minutes. But we've compressed the video. Just last year when we were on our Leh trip, it took us about 8 hours to cross this stretch due to snow and traffic. So we are super thrilled that now this tunnel exists. Excited as we already are, our hearts are filled with gratitude, pride and appreciation for B.R.O for having completed this engineering marvel so that we can now reap the benefits. On the other side of Rohtang, we are greeted with frozen roads. As you can see, very, very slippery. This concept is also called black ice, but not a problem for the four-wheel drive on the Scorpio because we've tested this before in Leh, Ladakh and all other mountain terrains. So I can't help but fool around with the ice again. So now we are here to enjoy the snow. Stay tuned. So first things, we find ourselves a nice spot to park and get really close to the snow. Just look at this, fresh, untouched snow. The first snowfall of the season. And we are also very close to the frozen CHENAB river. Just look at these waters, sparkling, clean, you could just drink straight out of it. And just look at these towering mountains shining in the morning sunlight. What a beautiful view. We are so thrilled and delighted that we took the decision to come here, and we actually did. Places like this cast a beautiful impression in your mind, and anytime that you are stressed out and want to go to that happy place in your head, just think of this memory and I guarantee you it will make you smile. So with a smile on our face and a song in our hearts, we are setting out towards Sissu, further down on the KEYLONG highway. Just look at the beauty of this place. Just one look and you know for sure that this is comparable to the best places on earth where people go to vacation. And this is right here in India. All you got to do is get out, explore, enjoy and live. At NoUTurn, we've made a pact. Live life to the fullest, enjoy every moment, let the smiles come out naturally, and above all, make time for yourself. A big shout out to the Mahindra Scorpio 4-wheel drive for adding to our smiles and memories. So that brings us to the end of this video. We hope you enjoyed it and keep those comments flowing in. We really love them a lot. Do remember to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you are in touch with all our latest releases. Signing off, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.